Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download the MetaTrader 4 app. So let's get started. So here we can see the Play Store. You have to open that. So to download the MetaTrader 4 app, you have to follow this instruction. You can open your app store also in your iPhone, and at here you have to go to the search button at the top button. Then you have to search for the MetaTrader 4. Okay. 4 and search it. So here we can see here I have the MetaTrader 4 forex trading app. So you can just authorize it here by reading reviews and check for the other apps. Okay. So right here we'll click on the install button. It will download and install the app automatically and you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.